Hello everybody, I'm Nick from Pixie Woo. Today's video I'm going to do for you is Keira Knightley. Hope you enjoy. Hello everybody, I'm Nick from Pixie Woo. Today's video I'm going to do for you is Keira Knightley. Hope you enjoy. Hello everybody, I'm Nick from Pixie Woo. Today's video I'm going to do for you is Keira Knightley. Hope you enjoy. To start off with, I'm going to use a Clinique foundation. I've chosen Repair Wear Laser Focus. I'm going to pop that all over the skin. I'm just going to apply it to the back of my hand and then use a Real Techniques buffing brush to blend that into the skin. I'm going to take a little bit of MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and a Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush and just conceal under the eyes. A bit on the back of my hand. A little bit under the eyes, around the nose and anywhere you get any little bits of darkness. I'm then going to powder the makeup into place, and I've got a Mineral Radiance powder by Bourjois. I'm also going to take another Real Techniques brush, this one is the multi-task brush, and just push that into place. Seal that on the face. Now Keira's face is much skinnier than mine, so I'm going to take a little bit of sleep makeup. This is the Face Contour Kit. Comes with two colours, one to shape and one to highlight. And I'm going to use a blusher brush just to apply that to the cheekbones. The darker colour goes underneath cheekbones, and the lighter colour, the highlighter, goes on top. I'm going to take a little bit around the outside of the face as well. Now in with the lighter colour. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked palette. It's got lots of eyeshadow colours in there, and I am only going to use two of them actually. I'm going to use Sidecar, which is that one there, and then a little bit of Smog, which is that one there. Start off with, get myself my 217, and I'm going to run Sidecar right the way over the eye. And that's going to work as my base colour. Also going to run that just underneath the eye a little bit as well. I'm going to take the darker colour, which is called Smog, and using the same brush, just run that in a V in the very outer corner of the eye. On both sides and very slightly underneath the eye. Next step is the Avon Super Shop Black Liner, which I love, and it's going to go inside the eye on top and bottom. But just inside the eye, not outside the eye at all. Now I need a bit of mascara to finish off the look. I have got Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. On the top and bottom lashes for this look. Just to shape my brows a little bit, I've got Perfection's Brow and Brush Duo from Marks & Spencer's. And I'm just going to run it over my brows softly to give them a little bit of shape. On the lips, I have got Marks & Spencer's Perfection Soft Shine Plumping Lip Gloss. This one is in Blossom. It's really nice and natural. And there you have the finished Keira Knightley look. Hope you've enjoyed that. Have a nice day. Bye bye.